What is dream? Most of the dream, over 90% of the dream is just unfulfilled desire. Because you have no control over this. You are not playing the desires are playing you. Anything that you see, you desire, isn't it? You may not pursue it really, but at that moment, oh, I wish I had it, I wish I had that. Everything that you have desired for till now, when you go from here today at 5:30 or 6, if all of it is waiting for you at home, you've finished. All the things and people that you've desired for in your life, if all of them are waiting for you at home, can you live there? Can you? No. So isn't it a fortune that your desires have not come true? So because you're desiring in an unbridled way, it's not in your control, all of it can never be fulfilled in life. But it needs to be worked out because once you desire something, you're investing a certain amount of energy in that direction. You need to understand this. Now, if I say, oh, I want these lights, immediately a certain amount of my energy is invested in that direction. Now I forget about this, so oh, I want the camera. I'm investing certain amount here, but this is still going on. I may not be conscious, but this is still going on. In a day you do this with 100 different things, you become all scattered. You're so scattered, now endlessly, mind is just going on with meaningless thought. Because constantly your energy is being thrown in different directions, it is not going in one direction. Have you noticed at a certain time in your life when you had a deep longing for something in particular, you created a big longing towards something, at that time all these things disappeared. Have you noticed this? Yes? You invested in one direction. Suddenly, all these thoughts just disappeared from your mind. So dream is happening simply because your mind is just being constantly scattered around with desiring process. And all of it can never be fulfilled in reality. So, you're working overtime in the night, fulfilling them in fantasy ways. Yes, there are other dimensions of desire, but they are very small. If such things happen to some individuals, we will handle it. We don't have to disturb everybody with such dreams. Desire is just free cinema, enjoy it. Whether it's a horror movie or a love story or a suspense thriller, just enjoy it. What's your problem? Free cinema they're showing you.